Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time.
Okay, y'all, so I have on the unit, and I can already tell y'all that I love this unit because the curls are still here. I did my makeup and everything, and the curls are still looking flawless. So we love that. I love the density of this unit. Y'all know this unit can be worn glueless, but I use a spray. I use a spray on mine. Look at this lace. Like, I wish I knew how to pluck like this. Like, it's just so good. And I always tell y'all, these units, that's the 5x5 lace, that's not that much lace, I would say would be the perfect like starter unit, because you don't have to deal with that much lace. I know a lot of people are just so nervous about it, but the lace goes from here to here, so it's not that much to deal with. And again, it could be worn glueless. It has all the straps in there for you. It has the non-slip band on the back of the unit that I showed. That also helps secure the unit. Just so it doesn't look washed out. That plucking is just like top tier. And then parting, which it goes pretty deep back. Can y'all see that? But I don't need it that deep. Look how good these curls are, just like, look at this. Okay. So this unit is 24 inches long. It is so pretty, and you don't have to do much to it. So we're not going to do anything. I'm going to show you guys exactly how it would look if you got it from out of the bag, which is here. We're not going to curl it. We're not going to do any extras. We're going to style it as is. We're going to just finger comb it. And this is their body wave. Look at this. So pretty. Gently pull those curls out. So pretty. Look at that. So cute. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below.
Pictures and stuff. And I thought that was so cute. So here I go to the store.
Oh yeah, the bow. Everybody doing that.
Yeah,
they're doing the cabinets and all that stuff.
Girl,
it's trending on TikTok.
I was up all night trying to do it, and it looked. I still that shit down.
You saw the big bows on the tree too?
Yeah, I seen that.
That's cute.
Yeah. Some
of the girls, I think like the more I was like, it kept popping up, the better the bows were getting. So some of the girls was just doing it with fabric. They'll stuff it with something. And then I got to the girls that was doing it with the pillow. And they split it down the middle and then put the fabric over. It looks so cute. It's like a big puffy bow. It's so, so pretty. That is really, really cute. But like I said, everybody is doing it, but it's cute. Hi guys, I'm back. Look what I have. The shoes, 8.5. So pretty. So stinking cute. And these are more creamy. The other ones that I have, the Reeboks, those are like a taupe. They're like this color right here. Y'all saw them, I wore them yesterday, but they like this color, and these are like a cream. So we like these better. I'm so happy to have these. My son was like, why you got these? They look just like your Reeboks. But I'm like, because these are the ones that I've always wanted. So they're so cute. And I told y'all they do have a brown. I've seen a gray. I don't know if I've seen a black and a white. I think I've seen a blue and gray. I think I've seen like a green. They always coming out with different colors. I follow this girl. It's either on Instagram or TikTok. I can't remember. But she's in love with these shoes, and any color that come out, she have them. So I don't know how she get her hands on them shoes so quick. But she got every color. She changed the shoestrings up. She do the whole 9. So love these. Ryan's here. This is a continuation from yesterday's vlog, which is actually the same day, but yesterday for you guys. And I still have the bag out here. I'm actually gonna go on eBay again and see if I could get my hands on the black one, because I was just telling Ryan about it, and when I went back on Pinterest, the girl had the black one too. But you can find this in any brand. Like you can find Valentino does it a lot. When you know you buy the little combo packs of like the lipsticks and the perfume, and then you get the free cosmetic bag or whatever. So Valentino, I don't know if Gucci does it, probably. Some of them have those hard cosmetic little cases, like, you know what I'm saying, like you can really carry it as a clutch. This, one of the girls on Pinterest did have it like a little clutch. It was cute, but I think I'll get this dirty because y'all know I wear brown makeup, so sometimes it gets on my hands, so this will probably get way too dirty for me to carry it as a clutch. So I am gonna just keep it in the house. So what we about to do, Ryan eating some dumplings. I really thought he was gonna say, let's go get some sushi. Please. I just knew you were gonna say that.
Well, I don't mind sushi. I don't mind. But I do want some Asian food. That's why I'm eating dumplings.
Oh, okay. So you want some fried chicken?
I want some fried chicken too.
I would love to have some fried chicken because I do have. What's the name of that place? They used to have it on Beach Boulevard, but see they closed it. I think it's called. It's not Ichiban. It's Is it Ichiban?
No, I know something. You're talking about the
It's a Korean.
all you can eat.
No, it's a Korean spot, and they do the double fried chicken. It used to be on Bay Meadows up there by what is the name of that place? Right across the street from Walmart. But they moved it, and they do have one in the town center, like at the very end, across the street from ABC. I never had it before though.
Okay.
It's like a Korean chicken place. I know they sell chicken. I don't know if that's all they sell, but I know they do the double fried chicken.
I know what you're talking about, because one of the Jacksonville foodies went there.
I have to look on their Instagram and see. What y'all doing today, child? Cause we ain't doing that. We just chilling. I gotta hang around for a minute to see if Tony gonna call me and be like, "Oh, they canceled training." Cause the last 3 days they done canceled it because the girls had their weight training competition or something, so they can't both train in there at the same time. I don't know why they don't have like a girl training room and a boys training room. So, child, whatever. All right, y'all, I'll pick y'all back up if we decide to do something.
But this is good too, though. I don't know if you care for barbecue. That's actually pretty good.
One for you. One for you. Thank you. One for you. One for you. Thank you. This is yours. And then this is yours. Yes, thank you. Other stuff. I thought I got the egg rolls too.
You got some chicken too.
All right, y'all. This is all that I had. Y'all know I'm not really a Chili's girl, but I did it for the guys. The strict corny did something different to it because it doesn't taste like what I'm used to. It kind of tastes like they fried the corn a little bit. I didn't really like that, but my husband will eat this for sure. Okay, y'all, several hours later, y'all saw we stopped by Chili's. I'm not a big Chili's fan at all. I haven't been to Chili's in probably like well, I take that back because I did go for some street corn, but I haven't been like inside of Chili's ordering their food probably like in 5 years. Like, it's been a long time. But Tony asked me if we can go on Friday after school, so I already told him I was gonna take him on Friday, but since Ryan was here, we surprised him and we went to Chili's. So as y'all saw, I didn't hardly eat any of that, but I wanted to try the boneless buffalo bites because I was watching Monet, Creative Diva, and her wife had went, and she had got the boneless buffalo bites. And if y'all don't know anything about me, y'all should know I love a good buffalo anything because I love the tang. I don't really like a lot of spicy stuff, but buffalo, anything buffalo wings, buffalo dip, I love it. Okay, so those are really good, but everything else, I knew I wasn't gonna be able to eat it. Tony's gonna bring me a lobster roll home, so that's what I'm gonna have. I want to show y'all this, what my mother-in-law got me. She called me and said, stop by here, I picked something up for you. So I stopped by and look what she got me. This little glass, it has a little heart right here. She got it from Home Goods. I saw this glass in there, I was like, oh, that's so sweet. Ryan just left, Tony done went to the gym, so I'm home alone, so I decided to take some content of the cosmetic bag and post it on my LTK. I really should start Pinterest and post stuff, but my home decor and my food was always like plastered all over Pinterest. Like this picture right here, when I had my living room like this, it was all over Pinterest. Like some of y'all would send it to me, like people just play like it's their stuff. Like it was very weird. Like I have a lot of my old home decor on Pinterest, and like I said, from my food content too. So I was thinking about just starting my own Pinterest. Maybe that's something I'll start in 2025, I'm not too sure. But let me show y'all how I got it right now. This is how I have it right now. I might change it to my bathroom counter. Maybe the white will look better. We'll just see. I'm gonna take the picture and see how it turns out. But it's close to one of the pictures that I saw on Pinterest. So I just have like my little Chanel products down here. Some of these are empty, by the way. But we still love the packaging, so we're gonna go with the vibes. So yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of this and post it on my LTK. And I thought that this would be really cute. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Lobster's here. I told him if it wasn't, well, I guess it was too late, because I said get me some lobster bits too if it's not too late. But we have this new spot here called Cousin Maine Lobsters. You can get these in all different sizes, but I got a little small one. And this is how it looks. And like I said, they just came to Jacksonville. I think they also have one in St. Augustine. How good does this look? It looks so good. Let me turn on the light so y'all can really get into the vibes. I just realized that my light broke. Look at this foolishness. Okay. Yes. Ah, please. I gotta send this to Kalila, baby, because she, oh, my mouth is watering. This is how a lobster roll should look. You feel me? Cousins, Maine Lobster, and RH. Nobody does it better. So good.